Hello everyone and welcome to Forex Limitless. In this video I'm going to explain you how to change font size in TradingView and also how to change color. So the first thing that you need to do, you need to right click on the charts, then choose setting option. After this, from this menu you need to choose canvas. Under the text option you can choose your font size. As you can see, this size is increased, and this can be very useful if you are posting your charts somewhere on forums and they need to be more visible. If you want to change your color, you can choose this option. From this color palette you can choose whatever you want, and after you choose your favorite color and your favorite font size, all you need to do is confirm everything by clicking on OK. I hope this was useful. Thank you very much. See you in next video. Bye bye.